What is up, you sexy fucks of criminal mischief? I'm McStud, and tonight we have a completely different tasty alcoholic beverage review, if I can talk. This is something new I haven't seen. I mean, I don't know how new it is. It's new around here, and I've never seen it anywhere I've been. So we have Kona Brewing Company's Big Wave Golden Ale, which I'm guessing is Hawaiian. Has a weird size can, 19.2 ounces. Who the fuck came up with that size? Why can't we just go at a nice even number? Why can't it be 20? Maybe 19. 19.2? It's not even 19 and a half. What the fuck? Oh, what were they thinking? Let's see. Let's just see what the can has. It's got these looks like Hawaiian people on a canoe or some sort thing, on a wave. One life, right? Okay, interesting. Kona Brewing Company, Liquid Aloha. Paddle into Easy Drinking Island. Easy Drinking Island refreshment with Big Wave. So smooth, it's like catching the crest of a breaking wave at Oahu's Makaha Beach. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Gliding all the way into the sandy shore. Paradise is just a sip away, so bring your ohana along for the ride. One life, right? Established in 1994. Okay. Let's see here. Mahalo for drinking responsibly. I don't know if I said that right. I don't know. 4.4% alcohol by volume. Brewed and canned by the Kona Brewing Company, Fairfield, California, Fort Collins, Colorado, Portland, Oregon, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Mahalo for recycling. This shit isn't even brewed in Hawaii or anywhere close, for that matter. The closest place might be California. Oh, this was canned on June 22nd. It's like 4 months old. What the fuck? When's the best by date? Well, let's give it a shot. Hawaiian, huh? Wonder if that means I'll get laid tonight. Oh, fuck. That doesn't smell... I mean, maybe old? I don't know. That smells funky. It doesn't smell like anything Hawaiian at all. It smells kind of like an IPA. Does not smell like a golden ale. Here goes. Nope. 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 No. No, I don't know if it's old or what. That tastes like canned dicks. Canned sweaty ass dicks that haven't been washed in 4 months. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. What the fuck? I hope that's just old and that's not how it really tastes. If that's how it really tastes, no, it's a 0 out of 5 fucking stars. It's a taste I can't get out of my mouth. It's fucking giving me chills. Like, for real. Oh, horrible. Horrible. Who puts that in a can and tells people to drink it? Are you fucking... What is wrong with you motherfuckers? Oh my God. Do not. Please tell me it's old. I hope... if I ever find a fresher can, I'll try it. But that right there, no, I'm dumping that shit in the fucking drain. Do not, as of right now, do not drink Big Wave Golden Ale from Kona Brewing Company. You know what? I'm disgusted. I need to eat something right now to get the taste in my mouth because I cannot get it out of my mouth with the fucking water. I'm McStud, motherfuckers. Deuces. Ugh.